Hi guys, welcome back to Bark Speed. It's Sunday, it's afternoon just, had pot noodle and I'm going to do a little bit more to the car. So run VT, Errol. Okay, so first little job. I've got to redo these spot welds that I did yesterday because that panel is popped off. Where I ground it back, it just popped out. So I've got me trusty and I'm going to do some drilling. Sweet. Hopefully use a bit more amps on there and that'll penetrate. The other thing I'm doing at the moment is I'm getting ready to, with all these grind marks all the way along, to get the undersill on, and there's a jacking placement that needs to be welded in there, so that's one of my jobs. So basically what I've done is I've started to address this where I'm going to be welding to the sill onto, and then we can start to prep up the panel. So over there, I've done a bit more to it, got a few more holes punched in it with my special punch, hydraulic punch, and hopefully that's our jobs and that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so the next little job is to mount this mounting bracket in. This is for the jacking point, so it needs to be quite sturdy. I've given myself 4 holes to fix to, and hopefully that should be enough. Okay, so now I'm going to do just to tack this in place and get this thing fixed. So mind your eyes. Okay, the close-up of that fixed in there quite well, and it's ready now to have the other piece put on. I've got to tidy up this now. That's my next job. Okay, this is a little top tip. I'm going to use some acid etch primer and just slightly go through these 2 places here, and then when I take this off, it actually shows me where I need to grind the weld back. Okay, so now I'm going to just do a bit of grinding inside so that I can then move the car back over and then just attack the 2 key areas where there's holes. Bring on the grinder. So I've started, and I think the best way for me to do it is to run along the top all the way along, right the way to the end, and then start doing all of the infilly bits all the way along. But that's basically what we're doing, and it's been a long time coming, but hopefully we're getting there. Wish me luck. I've gone all the way along fitting the sill on, and it's quite level all there, and it's fitted on. It's on there, and now it's a case of working my way down. So one there, a couple there, some here, some there, and yeah, it's getting there, big time. Now, it's been a long time coming, this one. Right, so we done that one. Slowly but surely getting my way along, moving my way along. That mount for the jack is in and it's fixed. And it's just a case of now just pulling it all tight with the big nasty, and just welding in, plug welding all the holes, and it'll all just simulate spot welds to give it all the way along, and then that will bend in there. Yeah, it's getting there. It really is getting there now. It's good. It's really good. Right. But that's all I'm going to do today, and I'll do some more tomorrow, I think, if I get a chance. If not, sometime this week. As I say in show business, that's a wrap. I'll see you later on in the week. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Cheers. There we are, look, the twig doing a sweeping up for her dad. Well done.